Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and block an account on Reddit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to see posts from a specific Reddit individual. How do you actually go ahead and block their account? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But here we are on the Reddit app, and in order to block someone, let's actually click into a post. So let's pretend that we want to block this user over here. In order to block them, what you need to do is that you could actually go ahead and click on their name on the upper left hand corner. And then from here, you're going to see an icon on the upper right hand corner that looks like a block icon. So it's this icon right over here. So again, it's right in the middle of the screen towards the right. It looks like a block icon. Click on that. And then you can see that I can now block this user. And there is a tooltip that says they won't be able to contact you, view your profile, posts, or comments. And then you just need to go ahead and confirm the block. Now, another way to do it is that you could actually go on the post and click on the three dots next to the post. And you could actually click on block account from here as well. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and block a user on Reddit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.